Good morning, class. Today, first students, I will discuss the homework question with you. That was question number 9. Students, I gave you as homework. In that question, they were saying write in a better way. So this is exercise 12, question number 9. See students, usually when you tell your age to anybody, okay, like you will say what is your age, 10 years. Even after a few months of your birthday, you will say your age is 10 years only. You will not say 10 years, 2 months, 10 years, 5 months. So you will always say 10 years only. When the next year you will be 11 years, you will speak 11 years. You will never say the extra months which is adding up to your age. So in this also, it's like rounding off. You don't tell the months and the extra days after your birthday. You will just say the age, okay, the actual number. So in this, this is the application of actually the estimation which we have learned. So if a person is saying I am 15 years, 3 months, 8 days old, what is a better way of saying that? I am 15 years old. You just round off. You don't have to say this extra things, okay? So like this number is 28,30,145 teachers are working in a primary schools in the country. Let's round off this, okay? Let's round off. जब भी बच्चे हमें ये नहीं पता होता कहाँ पे राउंड ऑफ करना है तो हम सबसे हाईएस्ट प्लेस लेते हैं, सबसे बड़ी प्लेस. 1 10 100,000 10,000 लाख 10 लाख सबसे हाईएस्ट प्लेस है, इसको हम राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. आई विल ऐड 1 टू दिस बिकॉज इसका प्रीवियस डिजिट 5 या 5 से बिग है, सो आई हैव टू ऐड 1 टू दिस. सो इफ आई हैव 1 to 2 व्हाट माय आंसर विल बी 3. इसमें मैंने 1 ऐड करा, 3 बन गया. एंड हाउ मेनी जीरोज विल आई पुट इन द राइट? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it means I am just giving an idea that instead of saying 28 lakh something, I am just saying 30 lakh teachers are working in a primary schools in a country. We will take the rounded off values. Now 4892 persons attended the function. So instead of saying like giving the exact, what we can say is we can just round off this. I will add 1 to this 4 because the previous digit is greater than 5. So 5 0 0 0 persons attended the function. Okay, last, I spent rupees 8110 on buying a suit. So I can also say that I spent rupees 8000 on buying a suit. I have just rounded this off. Why did I not add 1 to this? Because the previous digit was not greater than 5. So 8 will remain as it. So students, now next is framing of the word problems. Whenever we have to frame a word problem, students, what first thing we have to take into the consideration that we have to see the operation. Let's for example look at only this first part. Can you see there is an 8 lakh and 2 lakh and there is a plus sign? It means students, if I have to frame a word problem, first I have to see what kind of the nature of the question is. It is a plus sign, means the two numbers are getting added. So the operation will tell me a lot about the question, okay? If it is a plus or it is a minus. If it is a plus, it means it is dealing with addition. If it is a minus, it is dealing with subtraction. So when I'm framing the word problem, I can use the word as total to find the total, to find the sum. And if a minus sign is there in between, what words can I use? Excuse me. I can ask them to find the difference. What is the difference of the two numbers? Or I can compare the number, that how much is the first number greater than the second number, or how much it is more, or how much is it less. Okay, like for example, I'll just take a small example. Here only I'll write the example. 7 minus 5. Okay, this is my question. You know the answer will come to. But if I have to frame a word problem, I can write down what is the difference of 7 and 5. Or I can write how much is 7 greater than 5. Or I can ask how much is 5 less than 7. I can also say that two numbers का sum 7 है. अगर एक number 5 है, smaller वाला या bigger वाला, तो दूसरा number क्या होगा? You will say, ma'am, it will be 2. If the sum is 7, then how is the sum 7 coming? From 5 and 2. So in that case also we have to find the difference. So it means you can just frame the word problems. First you have to see the operation and then you have to choose a word. Okay, now let's see. For example, frame word problems or write a story for each of the following number sentences. Like 8 lakh and 2 lakh were there. Now these prices I know. The vehicles are priced at like this, So a car is priced at rupees 8 lakh and a two-wheeler is priced at rupees 2 lakh. What is their total price? I have just written that what is their total price. Okay. So students, because when you will frame your word problem, it may vary because your friends, they can frame a different question, you can frame a different question. So I have just framed few word problems for you. You can make note of this. I will send you the picture of this. You can just note it down, but you have to be careful how to do it. Okay, in the examination, if it comes, you should know how to do it. So you will note down this framing of word problem, first point and second point, and then you can just make notes of the pages. Okay. And this and this and this, I have find the sum of this and this. I wrote the word sum. In this I wrote what is the total price. Let's take this question. like these were such big numbers. I wrote if town A has this much persons and town B has these much persons, then what is the population of both the towns? Okay, so I made the question as this. Let's look at the one which was behind. Again students, in this what was there? Again plus was there. Mr. Khan had rupees this much in his account and received this much as an interest. इतने तो उनके पास पहले से थे और इतना उनको इंटरेस्ट आ गया. अब उनके अकाउंट में कितनी मनी है? How much money does he have in his account now? So it means again this in this also you will add. So I have framed a word problem. Now there is a minus sign. I can say how much is this greater than this? ये इससे कितना बड़ा है? Okay, it's like that. And see this I had dealt with this in a unique manner. I could see this is the smallest 6-digit number and minus 1. It means I am asking the predecessor, because you know if we subtract 1 from any number we get the predecessor. So I wrote find the predecessor of the smallest 6-digit number. Now this number I could see that only slight difference is there. It is like this is 2,65,000, it is 2,57,000. So then I thought how should I frame the question? A vehicle was priced at this. Vehicle का इतना price था. Jyoti had this much rupees. Jyoti के पास इतना money था. With her, how much money should she borrow from her friend so that she can buy the vehicle? इतना मनी का व्हीकल था, इतना मनी उसके पास था और उसको कितना मनी लेना चाहिए. तो you will subtract again these two and find out. So subtraction application is there. Again these two numbers were getting subtracted. What I wrote, the sum of two numbers is this. If the smaller is this, find the greater number. So just students do this. Okay, this is your homework to complete exercise number 13. This is the last exercise and do it very neatly. Okay students, please write the rules also, the first point and the second point. I'll send you the screenshots also of this. Okay, thank you class.